Welcome to Mini Brain Booster session.
Welcome to Relaxed Awareness Golden Meditation. Begin with a gentle stretch. Stand straight. Stretch to the left, then to the right. Stand straight. Again to the left. Again to the right. Give a very good stretch to the whole body. Now relax. Feel the surface beneath you. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Stretch to the left, then to the right. Stand straight. Again to the left. Again to the right. Give a very good stretch to the whole body. Now relax. Give a very good stretch to the whole body. Now relax. Stretch to the left, then to the right. Again to the left. Again to the right. Stretch to the left, then to the right. Again to the left. Again to the right. And sit quietly. Feel the surface beneath you. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Close your eyes very softly. Start taking some deep, slow breath. Inhale gently. Exhale softly. As you breathe in, visualize a golden light pouring in from the top of your head, moving deep through your entire body, all the way down to your toes. Imagine this golden light cleansing your whole being and filling with creativity. Keep on inhaling this golden light through your head. Let this golden light pass into your body and visualize a dark cloud or a dark river which is flowing out through your toes, carrying away all the negativity and tensions. Keep on inhaling the golden light, which is bringing whole vital energy, positivity. With each cycle of breath, see yourself as a cylinder, pure golden light entering from above and the dark energy living through your toes. Keep your back straight but relaxed. Keep on inhaling this bright light from your head and exhaling the dark cloud from your toes, from the fingers of your legs. Continue this rhythm of golden inhalation and dark exhalation for some more time. This will soothe your mind, relax your body and make you more receptive. Mind is a chattering box. When it shifts to overthinking, generally the thoughts are negative. Let this golden light optimize you with the positivity, with the hopes, with the new energy. And the dark cloud is moving back from your toes through the exhaling air. Now again the new breath. Again deep inhalation and a longer exhalation. Practice this daily before going to sleep at night, on your bed, before waking up in the morning. Repeat daily for 3 minutes to invite positive transformation into your life. Again, new deep breath. The golden light imagination and visualization from the head. And the dark cloud exhalation, the flowing river from your toes. Let the deep breath reach to your abdomen and exhale this from your toes. Now, just gradually relax. Gently rub both the palms together, bringing warmth to your hands. Massage your face softly with these warm hands. With an attitude of gratitude and thankfulness, open your eyes with a gentle, light smile.
Dear Universe, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for loving me so much. Thank you for keeping me safe and strong. Help me to be kind to everyone. Help me to share with a happy heart. Bless my family with love and joy. Stay with me always, dear Universe. I am yours, and you are mine.
All is well, thank you.